Welcome to Learning Reaper. I'm your host, X.E.L.O. And today we're going to be actually doing some lo-fi on this page. Here's the poll here. This is what you guys suggested. I know it was tied with R&B, but seeing that I did a couple of R&Bs, I'm going to do a lo-fi this time. So let's get into it. All right, so here we are in Reaper, and this theme is called Peace. All right, I'm going to use a VST I haven't really used before. It's called Notonik. Notonik is a VST by Digital Pro Sounds. This is kind of how it looks. Usually you have an option for your volume up here. You have some reverb, a cutoff, so you can actually do like a low pass or a high pass. You have some LFOs here. You have your ADSR on this side over here. And you have some noises that you can actually have inside of your sound. So it actually comes with that lo-fi kind of feel. So this should help when I'm making the track itself. Everything is actually set into keys, or should I say chords. So you have a whole bunch of different chords that were made for this. So I'm just gonna kind of go through a couple of them. Right, so it has a whole bunch of different sounds that you can actually use. And it actually goes to the tempo of your track. So if I wanted to add like some vinyl sounds, I can kind of crank this up, and you can hear the vinyl when I hit any keys on here. So if I wanted more of a tropical kind of sound, right? And this one is more of a city sound. So it gives you your ambience right from the plugin itself. And with that being said, let's try to find a sound and see if we can come up with something. All right, so I'm gonna set the tempo. Let's go 90 beats per minute. And let's do 4 bars. I'm gonna create a MIDI right here so that we'll be able to play the MIDI. So let's see if we can record something in. All right, so I have it down here in the MIDI editor. Let's try to do a real quick quantize on them just to make them stay in order. Something really simple to kind of give you a nice little mood. I kind of like the way that sounds. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some vinyl on here, and I'll add a little bit of tropical sounds. And what's cool about Notonik is it'll tell you like what key it's actually in. So this is a G minor on the scale. So I can actually make something else for like my bass line. So I'm gonna add a bass in here. All right, so I'm gonna add a moto bass in here. This is the studio bass. I'm gonna actually go here and add a complete control. Let's change this to G, and it was a G minor. I'm gonna turn on the scale. So now, I can be in scale when I'm actually playing on the keyboard. All right, so we're gonna make something simple for the bass in here. So I'm gonna make a MIDI section for it. Let's go back to the beginning. Something really simple just to kind of give a bass inside here to give it another feel. Let's do a quick quantize on these. All right, so I was able to lay down the bass line as you saw. So I just kind of tweaked it a little bit, make sure everything was in place, and this is what it sounds like now. All right, something really simple, easy to kind of put together. Give it that nice lo-fi kind of feel with that real like slap kind of bass on there. All right, so I'm going to be actually using my boom bap drum kit that I have a template that I created for it. It's using my Smash kit. So if you haven't downloaded the Smash kit, the link is available below in the description. If you want to see how I actually make templates, leave a comment below saying, hey, just put template inside of the comment section and we'll see if we get enough people to say it, that will create a template video for you guys. All right, so this is my kit right now. And I'm just gonna basically record in what I need. All right, so basically we're gonna start with the snare, just kind of lay that down. I'm just gonna add them on as I feel that it fits. All right. All right, so I was able to lay down some drums really quickly in here. So now we just kind of need to add that extra taste to it. Maybe add like a vocal on here. That'll probably set it off as well. So let's see if we can find a vocal we can add on here. All right, so I found some distant voices. Let's see if we can record some in. All right, so something just to give it a little bit more layering underneath it. All right, so there we have it. A LoFi beat inside of Reaper. I'm gonna actually mix it down and let you hear the final product. If you guys have like any mixing or mastering services that you need, definitely check me out at xelohh.com. and I will be able to assist you with your mixing and mastering services on that site. All right, so with no further ado, let's get into the beat and how it sounds. All right, so I was able to mix down the track itself, and what I did was add a filter for the master so that it can kind of filter in the track. I have it in 2 sections here. I added a riser and a crash, and I also added Cymatic's origin to the track just so it can give that nice vintage kind of sound to it. Yeah, and pretty much I think that's it. So let's listen to the track, hear how it sounds. Yes, sir. All right, so there you have it, a lo-fi beat inside of Reaper. I was using Notonik, which is a very dope VST, and of course I used the Smash Kit. So if you guys haven't downloaded the Smash Kit, the link is below in the description. You can download that for free. With that being said, that's pretty much the end of this video. Like I said, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't liked and subscribed to the channel already, make sure you do that as well. And thank you guys for watching Learning Reaper. Till next time, people. Peace. Hey, you. Yes, you. YouTube wants you to watch this video next, man. Go ahead and click it. I'll wait. Nah, I'm just playing. I'm not going to keep waiting here. All right. I will see you in the next video, though. Peace.